I'm sure you've heard the expression, when in Rome, do as Romans do. Well, today we're going to take a look at what Romans do here in Rhome, Texas, in the community of Reunion. Are you ready? If this is your first time to this channel, subscribe below, share, and give us a thumbs up. There are big plans, big ideas, and big opportunities here for you in Rhome, Texas, and I'm going to tell you all of those details later. But first, we're going to take a look at one of 3 different builders here in Reunion. And today, we're going to take a close look at American Legend. Let's hop out and see what it's all about. Let's step inside and take a look around. This office is secluded from the main areas and high traffic areas of the home, and that translates as peace and quiet and focus. I could go on and on about this beautifully appointed kitchen, but I will let this kitchen speak for itself. You know what to do. Close the door, lock the door, hide out in your beautiful timeout place for a long time. Now, there's no reason to test the strength of your relationship. You each have your separate vanities, which means your things should not spill over onto anyone else's space, and you know who you are. And what's better than having one large walk-in closet? How about 2? Before we go upstairs, let's take a look at the rest of downstairs. Nice full bathroom. And a spacious guest room. Retreat upstairs where you will find 2 bedrooms, a wonderful bathroom. Well, take a look for yourself and let me know what you think about this space. If you're thinking about building and having a 3-car garage, then you have the option with building either on a 60 or 70-foot lot. And as far as square feet, you can choose to build your home from as few as 2,300 square feet up to a little more than 3,400 square feet. And that introductory base price will range from the low $400,000 to the low $600,000. And that depends on what upgrades you choose, the location of your lot. And if you have premium taste, you will pay a premium price. Well, I'm pretty sure your home is the best one in the entire community. But in case you decide to take a stroll and leave the inside of your home, here's what you have to enjoy. 31 acres of picturesque natural terrain. You and your neighbors will enjoy the state-of-the-art amphitheaters where they're projected to have concerts, playgrounds, resort-style pool and pavilion, parks. On our drive over, you saw a few of the walking paths and trails. And as a bonus, you have access to Lake Eloise. I realize as beautiful as that 2-story home is, 1-story home may be a better fit for you. And if that's the case, let's take a look at one of American Legend's 1-story homes. Welcome to one of American Legend's most popular 1-story floor plan on a 50-foot lot. Well, today during this tour, it's hard to schedule them out perfectly, but I caught American Legend freshly painting a home, and they had little touch-ups here and there that need to be done. So you may see some blue tape, and that's really a testament of how they pay attention to the finer details. And if you choose to build your home with American Legend, they will pay just as much detail or more to yours. This inviting kitchen greets your family and friends to the heartbeat of the home. Imagine hosting game watch parties, movie nights, or however you choose to entertain. Great bar, living area, and spacious dining area keeps everyone connected. One of the things people like when working from home is a space to focus, and here's yours. In case you are one of those 1%ers who loves doing laundry, well, here's your fun zone. Really, really nice private ensuite. There are 2 other spacious bedrooms with really nice closets and another full bath. Now, the crown jewel of the entire home is your secluded primary suite. Comment and let me know what you think about the closet. Wait for it. I nearly got a crook in my neck looking up at the floor-to-ceiling closet. This is what I call space. What do you think? This American Legend home rests on a 50-foot lot, and right now, you can pick a beautiful view. Here's the scoop. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home has 2,429 square feet with an introductory price around $448,000. If American Legend is your builder of choice on a 50-foot lot, the square feet ranges from about 1,802 up to 3,220 square feet. And base price ranges from the upper $300,000 all the way up to mid $500,000.
Now you've got a few things to consider when moving into a new community. For example, the lot size. The larger the lot, the more expensive the home. Land is not free. So 50 foot versus 60 and 70, you're going to automatically pay more if you choose your home on a 60 or 70 foot lot. But here's the thing, in Reunion, if you want, and you already know you want a 3-car garage, then you are going to build your home on a 60 or 70 foot lot. It can be a side entry or a J-swing. You have some flexibility of how you want your 3-car garage situated on your lot. Now, here's the thing. I want you to really get this. Let's say you really like one of the floor plans that is typically on a 50-foot lot. Well, you can take that floor plan and put that same home on a 60 or 70 foot lot. But you can't do the reverse. If you found a home that you really love on a 70 foot lot, then you're not going to be able to pick that up and take it to a 50 foot lot. So you do have some flexibility, because one of the main things you're going to pay for, the difference would be the size of the lot, because we don't give away free land. That's coming at a premium. Speaking of premium, the prices that we went over are the base introductory prices. But if you have an upgraded taste, then you're going to pay for those upgrades. If you have a premium taste, then you're going to pay a premium price. So there's a lot of things to consider when moving into a brand new community. Floor plan, lot sizes, the location of the lot. There's so much to go over, and guess what? As much as I've enjoyed introducing you to Reunion, I've really enjoyed working with you, representing you during this journey. Hi, I'm Tracy Sorrell with the DFW Life, and I help people just like you sell and buy homes in and around a Dallas-Fort Worth metroplex. And if you've got Reunion on your short list, then comment below, grab one of those one-on-one links so we can better realize if Reunion, if Rhome, Texas, or any of our other cities, communities, or suburbs is the best place for you to create your new memories and call home.